Yeah, peeps, what go on? I don't know what trade there. I leave work right now. But I just want to talk about a little thing with Blue Lagoon. They must say Blue Lagoon I go open back the 1st of December. You see me, to the public. Right now, to tell you the truth, the whole Blue Lagoon thing, it's like me can't deal with it again, you see it. This out of my scope right now. Even though me a Blue Lagoon tours here, I come by the name there when me I say, oh, I want to get some business for my father and my brother. You see me? The name never register, so I run with that, I register it, and I do my thing. You see it? It would make it look like say me the face of Blue Lagoon, which means the face of Blue Lagoon. You see it? Because majority I don't know Blue Lagoon by my contents, right? But to how the thing reach, me can't really do nothing. You have Blue Lagoon Alliance. The group they register for they have Blue Lagoon. So basically, I work my father in that. And I work alongside my father. You see me? I can be a part of the Lagoon, the Alliance. But you may have my Blue Lagoon tourist thing. Me nah go make them the cross, you see it? I just go and do my thing separate and work with my father and something, you see me? But yo, may I tell you say, basically them no want no more rafting, no more boating, no more vending at Blue Lagoon, alright? And this are all because of the man them were indisciplined. You see it? The man them not have no behavior, no style. And now everybody gone. You see me? But yo, what me I say, the man them could have organized a thing where the man them for a long time, the original man them for Blue Lagoon get authorization for there at the Lagoon. You not have to cut off nothing. The newcomers them now will come mash up the thing, them wouldn't get barred. You see it? I don't like say me I try to stop nobody bread. Me not stop nobody bread. But the man them not have no style for you. And the man them come and frig up the thing. Cause yo, me remember Blue Lagoon from me a young boy run up and down in a brief. You see it? And me never know more than live to see Blue Lagoon locked down. For tell you the truth. You see me? And this Blue Lagoon my father earning bread from him about 15 years old. You see it? I know if Lagoon just, you know what I mean, it just set away. And alright, the logic say now, a lot of the guest house them, remember, I don't see one build up on a thing, on an organization, and I say, I don't want to clean up Lagoon and something, right? But this. The man them where do a tour, right? Remember say them see him on a endorse on a place, you know, word amount. When them do a tour, and them say, yo, the villa there have 10 bedroom, so and so a night, and something. Remember, them see what go on. The man them a sell on a thing. So you find out say people are come back just to stay up on the waterfront and to enjoy Lagoon. Them a go tell for them friends. So you have to understand the thing. Only certain people are make it bad. But they say the bad apple spoil, one bad apple spoil the whole bunch, right? So but you can't use everybody for, you can't use feed them fat and fry everybody. It just unfair, you see it. Cause a man like my father, plucky, and the rest of the man them what did suffer and them a young youth foundation. What them all do right now? You see me? That's the question. What them all gonna do right now? A lot of people don't know what else to do. You see it? But I mean, I just say things set here, man. I just say things set.
Miss, how me I say?
You see that?
What?
No. You.
See one car there? What car you? Like to go down the road?
Yeah. So you don't know say from what they are beard up here hold me down.
But then he sent just to somebody.
And me just come from my mother and her supervisor say then see somebody with me. Remember say me I talk to you on the camera right now. So when you see say yo, well I don't know if you know see say nobody know decide on me. You see me? I be a look at dream and sit not going from what they yo. So me wonder if yo in this world people bad mind still you know. I believe in how they still you know. But I believe say things out there you see it. You have to just open your mind to everything. You see me? But me know say yo my grandmother and grandfather
Nah, left you.
them a work and a protect me. That me know. You see me believe in my God you know. So but Jaja, from what day, I be a dream. Be a 40 leg. And another just me a dream. Mummy a dream. My co-worker a dream. Jaja. I be a things. And then I say, oh, you see somebody side of me, yeah. But that don't make me afraid still, you know.
Yeah, you say him come with him co-workers, somebody there from there. And me look, me say, wait. You see that same lady sit outside that train and vehicle? But you see true, me know so them afraid of me. You see true, where me don't know.
I saw you go man.
I writing, right?
I soon check it. They usually walk me off with me work security, you know. The girl they usually love me off every night wet dreams. And I beard uppy. Cause guess what? I see him place where me sit down. I just can't move. And it come like say I come out of myself and I watch myself. I say, oh, I be a front. Be a front. You see me? You hear me and talk then sitting there my mother there but I know I running, you see it.
It's a one article, mother.
Yeah, she said this is one article, mother. But me just there tell the people about Blue Lagoon. Say, yo, at the same tour man them. Make the house then get enough guests more while. Because them are introduce the guests to the houses them. And what go happen for you man them we did a long time. We never do nothing else. You see me? But yo, me just open my mind to everything, you know. Everything. Nothing will last forever. I just that me tell myself. So just go and make use of time. I just me you know. Find one different thing what me can do. You see me? Yo, if you go in a thing, me have my vehicle, yeah. But if you go in a thing what me have to go do for tour people, me have to go register, me have to go pay insurance. That's enough money, yo. And Portland this. And I like some of there, watch the side of them place there where people are flow enough. You see it? So yo, certain things I don't really want to get myself in, you know. If it come, it come. You see me? But I just make Jaja go and sort out the way. I do my YouTube thing. I try to do some, see if I can find one decent online work where I can, yo,